Hello everyone, welcome to today's lesson. Today we'll be learning about place values. How can we give numbers values based on the positions of their digits? Now, why do we say 100 is greater than 10? And why do we say 10 is greater than 1? What are the different factors that affect their value? Place values are the values given to the digits of a number based on its position. Now, we have 120, and from the numbers displayed, 0 is in the ones position. One position is the smallest unit position a number could be in. And in this position, to get the value of the number, we have to skip count in 1. That is from 0 to 1, from 1 to 2, and so on. We have 2 in the 10th position, and in this position, to get the value of the number there, we have to skip count in tens. Now for 2, we have to skip count until we get to 20. That is to say 0, 10, and 20. So 20 is the value of the number 2 in the 10th position of 120. We also have the 100th position, and in this position we have to skip count in hundreds to get the value of the number there. Now for 1, we have to skip count from 0 to 100. That's why we have 120. Now moving on, we have the number 15, and from the number 15, 5 is in the ones position. That means the value of 5 is skip counting in 1 until we get to 5. Now, for the 10th position, we have the number 1. And in this 10th position, we have to skip counting 10 to get the value of the number 10. So from 0 to 10. 10 is the value of the number 1 in the 10th position. So 10 plus 5 equals 15. Now, we also have 2, number 2. Number 2 has 2 in the ones position. That means its value is 2 because we have to skip count in 1 until we get to 2. The number 2 doesn't have a number in the 10th position, neither does it have a number in the 100th position. That means its value is 2 from the number in the ones position. Now, we have a number 43, and remember we said for numbers in the 10th position, we have to skip count in 10 to get their value. So for the number 4, we have to skip count in 10 to get the value of 4, which will be 40. Now from the boxes by the left hand side, we could do that. So let's skip count from 0 to 40. So we have 0, and then we have 10, we have 20, 30, and 40. So 40 is the value of the number 4 in the 10th position of 43. Then we have 1, 2, and 3 in the ones position, where we have 3. The value of 3 in the ones position in 43 is 3. So 40 plus 3 gives us 43. Therefore, 43 has 4 tens and 3 ones. That is to say, we skip counted 4 times to get the value of 4 in the 10th position, and we skip counted in 1 3 times to get the value of 3 in the ones position. Now we have another example here, number 11. Number 11 appears to have 1 in the 10th position. That means we'll have to skip count in 10 ones, which is 10. And in the ones position, it has 1 also. So we have to skip count in 1 just once. 1. So 10 plus 1 equals 11. That means 11 has 1 tenth and 1 1. That is 1 tenth we skip counted in tens, 1 once, and then we skip counted in 1 once. Therefore, the value of 11 is based on the 1/10 and 1 ones. Now we have another example here, number 5. Number 5 does not have any number in the tens position. That means its value has to come from the number in the ones position. And from the ones position we have number 5. So if we want a value, we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That means its value is 5 from the ones position. Therefore, number 5 has no number in the tens position. That means it has no tens, but it has 5 ones. Its value comes from the 5 in the ones position. Now here's an activity for you. How many positions does the number 4 have? How many positions does the number 4 have? Number 2 is write out the names of the positions number 12 has. Write out the names of the position number 12 has. And the last one is write out the missing number. How many tens do you think 25 has? And how many ones do you think 25 need? The tens plus the ones give the total sum of the number, which is 25. So use our previous examples and calculate and check out how many tens and 1 we need for 25. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for staying around and thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.